Hello everyone, this is Dr. Priyanka. Welcome back to another video on product discussion. In today's video, we'll be discussing about Zeo Skin Health Exfoliating Polish. So exfoliating polish helps in physically exfoliating your skin, thereby taking care of dead skin cells and unclogging the pores. When it comes to this process of exfoliation, there are many ways you can exfoliate your skin. So there is physical exfoliation and chemical exfoliation. In my practice, when it comes to treating active skin concerns like acne, rosacea, people with dry sensitive skin hotspots, I prefer medically guided chemical exfoliation versus physical exfoliation. But if you have normal skin with not many skin concerns, and if you want to be involved in exfoliating your skin at regular intervals, you can either choose store-bought physical exfoliators, or you can also make a homemade exfoliating scrub by using some of the naturally occurring ingredients right from your kitchen, like sugar, oats, honey in various combinations. But when you choose to use a physical exfoliator, I don't see any product that matches up to the exfoliating polish. So why do I like exfoliating polish so much is because though it's a physical exfoliator, the crystals are ultra fine that it will not strip your skin barrier, but yet it's very gentle and effective on your skin, that it takes care of all the dead skin cells, unclogs your pores. So after using exfoliating polish, right after using the exfoliating polish, you feel like you've gotten a nice facial. Your skin feels very smooth, soft, with even skin tone. So what are the main ingredients of exfoliating polish? The most important one is the magnesium crystals that are super fine, that helps in gently exfoliating the skin. It also has vitamin A, C, E, which has the antioxidant benefit on your skin, thereby fighting the free radical damage. So other than this also has some fragrances, which is of little concern for me, because people with fragrance allergy can be allergic or can be sensitive to this product. But so far in my practice, I have not seen even a single client, which includes me, complain of allergies with these products. However, because it has fragrances, I usually ask my clients to use it once in a week before jumping on to 2 to 3 times in a week, which is the usual protocol. So use it once or twice and see if it is suiting your skin, and then get on to its usual protocol. So usually we ask our clients to use this product 2 to 3 times in a week, depending on their skin type. So the idea behind using this product is to take care of the dead skin cells, unblock or unclog the pores, and fight the free radical damage. So using it 2 to 3 times in a week is sufficient. But for people who have extremely oily skin, or for people who are getting exposed to dirt, dust and pollution a lot, you can also use it every day. You can just go easy on it when you're using every day. You need not scrub or rub very hard on your skin. You can just be a little gentle and mild if you're using it every day. But if you're using it 2 to 3 times in a week, I always recommend my clients to just press it a little hard and go in circular motions all over the face. Spend a little time, spend a few seconds, spread it evenly on every part of your face before washing it thoroughly. So 2 to 3 times in a week is good for regular general use. So all in all, let's look at the positives of this product. The first one is it is gentle yet very effective, not ruining your skin barrier. It beautifully exfoliates your skin and leaving your skin feeling like you've just gotten out of a facial. The other advantage is it not just exfoliates your skin, but it also helps with fighting the free radical damage, because it also has antioxidant ingredients in it. And the not so good aspects about this product is that it's expensive, and two, it has fragrances. Though I have not encountered any contact dermatitis or allergic reactions reported with this product in my practice as yet, I am still wary of the fragrance involved in this product. So I always caution my clients or patients about it. And which is why I ask them to use this once a week to begin with, and then slowly do it 2 to 3 times in a week. But still, fragrance is of some concern somewhere for me. So the final verdict: this is a very good physical exfoliator. Is it a must to have in your skincare kit? Yes and no. Yes, if you have the budget for it, it must be in your skincare kit. It is easy to use and it is result oriented. No, if you do not have the budget for it. See, when you have a limited budget to buy products for your skincare kit that will actually help you give the results that you're seeking for, there are many other products with actives that will help you in getting those results. This is more of a want than need when it comes to formulating your skincare kit. I hope I've made this simple. So if you are looking for a very good physical exfoliator and having no budget constraints, then exfoliating polish from Zio is for the win. If you have no budget for it, no regrets, you can prepare your own homemade exfoliator that will help in taking care of the dead skin cells, and you can invest that money on products that are actually addressing your concerns in particular and giving you the results you're seeking for.